Welcome back, y'all. Joining us now is Angela Montiera, nutritionist with the WIC program here in East Texas. Thank you so much for stopping by, Angela.
Yes, thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So if you can explain kind of what WIC does to help prevent childhood obesity in East Texas.
Yes, so childhood obesity, WIC helps establish, I'm sorry, I can hear myself. WIC helps establish healthy habits to prevent help childhood obesity. And the earlier the intervention, the better.
So
we do so by seeing pregnant moms who come into the WIC office, and we educate her on how to have a healthy pregnancy and to have a good birth outcome. And we also do nutrition education based on age for her child. And some of the things that we might talk about is implementing healthy snacks and meals, and the importance of family mealtime, and just establishing a physical activity routine for the family. We encourage moms to set goals for their family and follow up with those goals. And we do health screenings, and we also give a WIC card with foods on there, healthy foods for the family, so they can purchase.
What are the risks involved with childhood obesity, Angela?
There's a lot of risk involved with childhood obesity. Some of the major ones is diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and certain types of cancers, and just a low self-esteem and body image for that child.
Now, I know a lot of people's weight has kind of fluctuated one way or the other, especially during these lockdown orders. Gyms were closed. Have you seen more people seeking resources or a change in kids' weight during the pandemic?
Yes, so we have seen an uptick with WIC participants participating just because of the loss of jobs and things going on because of COVID.
So if anybody's noticed that in their children or maybe themselves, where can they find more information on how to raise a healthy child and those resources you mentioned?
Yeah, so they can visit the website, texaswic.org. There they can find more information about how to raise a healthy eater. There's online nutrition classes, and they could also apply for the WIC program on that website.
Sounds good. Angela, thank you so much for stopping by and spreading awareness about this serious issue.